I, Dr. V. M. Tidke, on behalf of Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Department of MBA, welcomes you all. Let us continue our studies of Decision Science, Unit number 1, that is LPP. Today, we are going to see a case study on LPP model formulation. So, at the end of the session, every student will be able to develop a LPP model. A case says, Cycle Trends is introducing two new lightweight bicycle frames, the Deluxe and the Professional, to be made from aluminium and steel alloys. The anticipated unit profits are Rs 10 for the Deluxe and Rs 15 for the Professional. The number of pounds of each alloy needed per frame is summarized on the next slide. A supplier delivers 100 pounds of aluminium alloy and 80 pounds of steel alloy weekly. How many deluxe and professional frames should Cycle Trends produce each week? The data provided is the pounds of each alloy needed per frame is, for manufacture of deluxe, you require 2 pounds of aluminium alloy and 3 pounds of steel alloy. Secondly, to manufacture a professional, you require 4 pounds of aluminium alloy and 2 pounds of steel alloy. So based on this, we have to develop a LPP model. Let us try to summarize what has been asked. दोस्तों, एक कंपनी है जो कि डिलक्स और प्रोफेशनल मॉडल को बनाती है और उसको बेचती है. आफ्टर सेलिंग वन मॉडल ऑफ डिलक्स दे गेट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10 रुपीज एंड आफ्टर सेलिंग वन मॉडल ऑफ प्रोफेशनल दे गेट्स अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 15 रुपीज. सेकेंडली, पर वीक उन साइकिल बनाने के लिए एल्यूमिनियम और स्टील एलॉय की जरूरत होती है, लेकिन द मैक्सिमम अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम पर वीक इज 100 pounds only and that of steel is 80 pounds only. Thirdly, the requirement of aluminium alloy and steel alloy for manufacture of deluxe and professional is also mentioned, and that is aluminium alloy required is 2 pounds for manufacture of 1 unit of deluxe and 4 pounds for manufacture of 1 unit of professional, whereby steel alloy requirement is 3 pounds for manufacture of 1 unit of deluxe and 2 pounds for manufacture of 1 unit of professional. So based on this information we have to develop our LPP model. तो यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि we have to maximize the total weekly profit of the company. So that is our objective. Okay, so let us convert that objective into objective function. But before that we will require the variables to get identified. So in this case, our variables would be X, that is number of deluxe frames produced weekly, and Y, number of professional frames produced weekly. Okay, so our objective function would be Z, that is 10x plus 15y, where 10x is the total profit after selling the deluxe bikes and 15y would be the total profit after selling the professional cycles. Okay, as we know, after selling 1 unit of deluxe you get 10 rupees profit. So after selling x unit of deluxe you will get 10x profit. After selling 1 unit of professional you get 15 rupees profit. So after selling y units of professional you will get 15y as a profit. So the total profit of the company would be 10x plus 15y. So our objective would be to maximize the same. But as we know, to manufacture deluxe and professional, you are also requiring aluminium alloy and steel alloy. So the limitation is posed and the equations of that goes. Number one is 2x plus 4y is less than or equal to 100 pounds. इसका मतलब क्या है दोस्तों? एक डिलक्स बाइक बनाने के लिए आपको 2 pounds ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम अलॉय लगता है और एक प्रोफेशनल साइकिल बनाने के लिए आपको 4 pounds ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम अलॉय लगता है. सो अगर आप x यूनिट ऑफ डिलक्स और y यूनिट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल साइकिल को बनाने जा रहे हैं, सो द टोटल यूसेज ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम कंजम्पशन इज 2x plus 4y, but the maximum availability of aluminum alloy is 100 pounds, so the equation is 2x plus 4y less than or equal to 100. Secondly, you are getting 80 pounds of steel alloy, and to manufacture 1 unit of deluxe you require 3 pounds of steel alloy. So to manufacture X units of deluxe you will require 3x pounds of steel alloy. Secondly, to manufacture 1 unit of professional you require 2 pounds of steel. So to manufacture Y units of professional you will require 2Y pounds of steel. So the total usage of steel alloy per week would be 3x plus 2y, which cannot be more than 80 pounds. So the second restriction is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 80 pounds. And thirdly, the non-negativity condition, that is x and y has to be more than or equal to 0. So this is how we can develop a LPP model which will help us in making the decision regarding the number of X or number of Y, that is number of deluxe and number of professional bicycles to be produced with a view to maximize the company's profitability. I hope you have understood the video. So let us try to develop the same model as a practice case in your tutorial book. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on the mentioned details. Thank you. Have a nice time.